It is such a peaceful setting here at this beautiful executive townhome on the Ranch Club golf course in Missoula, Montana. This has lots of natural light, as you can see. It is 3 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, just over 2,900 square feet. I'm really excited to share this with you. Let's take a look. That's a wrap for our tour today here at 2709B Ranch Club Road in Missoula, Montana. This home actually has a view of the first hole, lots of natural light, 3 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms with over 2,900 square feet. For more information, give me a call. I'm Dawn Maddox with Engel & Bokers, 406-550-4131. Thank you.